Do you want to excel in the field of digital marketing? Are you looking for a comprehensive and practical training program that can give you the skills and knowledge to succeed in this dynamic industry? Look no further than iJaipuria's complete practical training course for digital marketing.
Hi, I'm Roop Shankar Mishra, digital marketing specialist and trainer. I come along with iJaipuria to launch this live digital marketing course where we are going to teach you each and every applications of digital marketing, including website creation, content writing, search engine optimization, advertising on platforms like Google, Instagram, Facebook, along with social media marketing and how to manage these social media channels.
Hi guys, my name is Tanmoy Kumar Das and I welcome you to this course. I am one of the instructors for the completely practical training on digital marketing. I will be taking sessions like Google Ads optimizations and LinkedIn Ads marketing.
A 4-month-long program that includes over 50 hours of live classes and 50 hours of recorded lessons. With courses designed and delivered by digital marketing experts, this program covers everything.
Hi, I am Mayank Batra and I have empowered more than 75,000 people across the globe in digital marketing, and I assure you that this program by iJaipuria is the perfect fit for you. This special and unique program includes Google Analytics and WhatsApp Business Marketing, where you can use these amazing tools to help your brand increase sales and brand awareness over a period of time.
But this program isn't just about theory. It includes paid industry projects and internships to give you hands-on experience and prepare you for the real-world challenges.
Hi, Ritika Joshi this side. I myself has 14 years of corporate experience wherein I have worked with organizations like Tata, Reliance, Microsoft and Franklin Institute of Aerospace Training, and I have coached more than 2,500 plus candidates on interview skills. So I am bringing a live class for you wherein you will be getting how to clear the interviews. So we will be covering all the interview related stuff like how to behave in an interview, how to answer the interview related questions, how to build your LinkedIn profile, how to build your resume and much more. And in these live sessions, not only you will get the knowledge about all these topics, but also you can clarify your doubt.
Become an expert in 18 plus courses in just 4 months and join the ranks of successful digital marketers.
So see you in the course and let's explore this digital marketing field with some practical experience. So see you in the course.
So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, enroll for the program. See you on the other side.
So see you soon in the live class. Happy learning.